Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Mucus in the back of the throat. Fancy treat, causes and treatment. Are you getting mucus accumulated in the back of the throat? Do you have to clear your throat constantly? In this video we'll talk about the treatment and the 3 main reasons why this happens. You'll also know why it happens, and by the end of this video you'll know how to get rid of this problem once and for all. When you take antibiotics, especially for viral infections, they not only eliminate the infection, but also create plenty of side effects. Antibiotics kill the friendly bacteria in your body, which leads to a weak immune system. The moment these friendly microbes are killed, fungal growth begins to take over in your body. Normally, these friendly bacteria suppress the fungal growth, but when they're killed, the fungus can spread throughout the body. There is also a condition where the nasal cavities become inflamed. This can cause headaches, stuffiness, and other sinus problems. So, by trying to cure a mild viral infection, you can actually cause a worse issue that requires more potent medicines, which have even more side effects and further weaken your immune system. Let's discuss one cause at a time and how you can treat throat mucus without resorting to heavy medications. 1. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. This condition, the valve between your food pipe, esophagus, and stomach doesn't close properly, and stomach acid moves in the reverse direction. This acid irritates the lining of your throat, causing it to become inflamed and giving you the persistent urge to clear your throat. Most people who have this problem are on antacids or acid-reducing pills, but in most cases, the real problem is low stomach acid, not too much acid. You can take betaine hydrochloride HCl capsules with meals and add apple cider vinegar to your foods. This naturally regulates stomach acid. If you must, you can get an endoscopy to check your digestive tract. But this is an easier, low-cost remedy that already assists many people. People who have reflux also commonly get gas, indigestion, and bloating after meals too. Post-nasal drip, PND, this is another common culprit for mucus in the throat. In this situation, mucus from the backside of the nasal passage drips down into the throat, causing irritation and coughing in the throat. It could be caused by viral, bacterial, or fungal infections. It is usually caused by biofilms, bacteria's protective biolayers that they create to defend themselves from antibiotics. Antibiotics, when taken too much, disturb your body's natural bacterial balance, triggering chronic conditions like post-nasal drip. If the mucus is greenish or yellowish, then it is likely a bacterial infection. If it is transparent or clear, it may be viral, but sometimes both infections may be present simultaneously. For mild post-nasal drip, you may gargle or rinse your nose with saltwater saline solution. Utilize the nasal rinse bottle available in pharmacies. Pour saline water through one nostril and let it flow out through the other. This opens up the nasal passages and rinses away mucus buildup. You can also make saline solution at home. 1/2 teaspoon of salt must be added to 1 cup of warm water. Salt is antimicrobial and kills bacteria and also clears mild infections. Baby shampoo, not shampoo. It is too harsh is another alternative. Mix 2 teaspoons of baby shampoo with 4 cups of warm water and rinse your nose 3-4 times a day. It loosens thick mucus within sinuses. For even more effectiveness, you can add salt to this baby shampoo mixture. This also works superbly. Another option is to use povidone, iodine, betadine, combine equal parts iodine and water. 50 to 50 dip, a cotton swab in it, and apply it gently inside your nostrils. It is a strong antimicrobial that kills unwanted germs, but won't be irritating if diluted. You can also use this solution diluted as a gargle for 30 seconds every 12 hours. You will experience a significant improvement after just a few applications. 3. Weakened immunity and fungal activity. Weakened immunity also provokes the production of mucus. To enhance your immunity, perform intermittent or prolonged fasting. It helps the body recover and fight infection naturally. Omit dairy foods, milk, cream, yogurt, sugar, and refined carbs. They provoke mucus secretion and inflammation. Introduce raw garlic into your diet. It is a natural antimicrobial and immune activator. It is good to know where the mucus is coming from. Is it trickling down your nose or flowing up from your stomach? That is exactly what this video is going to tell you. Thanks for watching and taking care of your health.